This is my first time trying to mark plastic rather than some kind of metal with this 20-watt Chinese fiber laser. Initially I approached it by using the same settings as I would use for aluminum, which was very wrong, as you can see with all this smoke billowing up from the part. I was using something like 50% power and 500 millimeters per second speed and a 25 kilohertz frequency. And I was using a crosshatch, and that didn't work. As you can see, the thing basically just melted. And then I tried going deeper with more of a crosshatch, but reducing the power, and that didn't help either. So these are the settings I eventually ended up with. I'm using a single crosshatch at 0 and 90 degrees. My line spacing is 0.1 millimeters, and I'm using pen settings of 1200 millimeters per second, 15% power, and 30 kilohertz frequency. And this is the exact same vector file that I used in a previous video I made about marking raster versus vector files. And this is the end result of those settings produced, and you can see it looks pretty good to me, but there are quite a few failures below it. And if you'd like to see the specs of this laser, you can look at another video on my channel where I kind of review this laser. And let's close this thing out by showing you the footage of the one marking that went the best. I'm going to try one more just for fun. I'm going to reduce the power to 15%, and we're going to do the exact same settings as last time, because that looks pretty good. Let's see where we are. Let's try it. That looks pretty good. So if you reduce the power a ton, it comes out pretty nice.